Africa Content TV.
Due respect to the Speaker, Lagos State House of Assembly, and our father, the Ashwaju of Ufa, and other very important dignitaries here present. Also, my greetings to the man of today, the man who shower love and take a decision to face the public squarely. I want to congratulate you, Ziggy Amasaya, for the love you shower on Ashwaju. Every country, every state of the world has its story. When you do not tell your story, there's no way anybody could tell your story for you. Thank you very much. After the launching of this, I'm sure the story will not be the same again. Thank you very much. Emilokan fabrics already you call and the only call by the time she about sequence she had a stamping out what is just source of sales fún ẹ̀ńtàbágbéyàwó àbá gbọ́dọ̀ ṣùgbọ́n aṣọ Emilokan mo ti kọrin nípa ẹ̀. Thank you.
Please put your hands together. And I'm about to pass out Baba IBAKATV-YORUBAPLAY the Ultimate. As you know,
of attack on social media. Emilokan survived barrage of negative commentaries from big media houses. Egbekini Onwa triumph over Emefiele's Naira note recoloration. A redesigned policy which caused monumental setback to businesses and livelihood. Asiwaju survived the spiritual and venomous daily attack from pastors and false processes. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, that is my tribute to Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu.
Please put your hands together. Put your hands together. Put it together. Thank you so much, sir. Please put your hands together once again. Thank you, sir. And I'm about the part. I want to put your hands together as I bring you to this podium. Our father, King Wasiu Ayinde of Yoruba land. This shocking. Oh, was talking about showing Bola. Let's know.
Due respect to the Speaker, Lagos State House of Assembly, and our father, the Ashwaju of Ufa, and other very important dignitaries here present. Also, my greetings to the man of today, the man who shower love and take a decision to face the public squarely. I want to congratulate you, Ziggy Amasaya, for the love you shower on Ashwaju. Every country, every state of the world has its story. When you do not tell your story, there's no way anybody could tell your story for you. Thank you very much. After the launching of this, I'm sure the story will not be the same again. Thank you very much. Emilokan fabrics already you call and the only by the time she about sequence